Hey everyone, I'm Snehal D'Souza, 20-year-old from Mumbai, and in this video, I'll tell you how I got access for free to attend Joy Magica, not just for me but also for my friends. This vlog is going to be fun, interesting, and very adventurous, so stay tuned and watch till the end. So firstly, we took a private car to attend Joy Lonavala. We halted
So now
at
we are
food
going
court.
to food court. On the way.
After freshening up, we proceeded to Lonavala Wet and Joy, and it took us about 2 hours. So I'll tell you how I actually got free access. So basically, this was a collaboration where I got this influencer ticket from Wet and Joy, where they reached out to me themselves on Insta, and it was a collab. So I got free access for me as well as three of my friends, which included food and beverages as well.
उसका आधा किसी को दे दे जो बचा हुआ ये राखी है रक्षाबंधन लेट्स गो
अब मेरे लिए डालो
ये बंधन तो
सही डाल रही हो यार
वेट एंजॉय ओके बाय
हाथ दिखाओ यार हाँ यार हाथ दिखाओ इधर आ हाथ दिखाओ
Now, oh, I also got a magic pass. Benefits: I can visit Imagica, Aqua Imagica, Wet and Joy.
everywhere.
Now we are entering the amusement park, which looks
So then sad.
very. Wait, it's gone down. Yeah, wait, you'll
Look,
see
now
it.
it's come.
Where is it? Anyway, which looks very adventurous,
And we're gonna take her
and I'm supposed to do
on
that.
everything. So we're gonna go on everything.
So we are finally here at Wet and Joy. We start with amusement park. Beach we have the water park, and I'm here with my friends. They are right there. So yeah, this is Elena recording, and
guys.
let's go. Very important. Please wear full sleeves or wear these for sun tanning. When I will get tanned. That is the ride they want
Yes.
to go in.
we have to
We have to, not want to, have to.
These are the other rides. Currently not started yet because we are early. But I love this place. I love that it's not too crowded. Okay, that ride was 2 on 10. Because honestly I did not get scared. This is the next ride.
Anyway, I don't mind. Chalo.
Kelly's gonna sit alone.
she's sitting alone
Veronica and Catherine are sitting together. We are sitting together. And the ride is this.
वैरो तू आ रहा है मेरे साथ पक्का
Now, I couldn't really record while we were on the rides because we had to keep our phones separately in their shelf to avoid it from falling, breaking, or getting damaged. But the rides were super fun. And talking about the placement, I loved how they were in between these huge pools or these huge fountains, and it was very cool. We totally loved it. Calista went on the Z Force ride twice, but she still said she didn't like it. So now we went on.
this
What's that called?
Z Force
How was the experience, guys?
we went up like this and then it was so like this and then like this.
Yeah, it was actually, it was okay. It was not when I saw videos of it, I thought it's very, very scary, but it's not. It's not at all scary. Or maybe we are just too adventurous. But it's amazing. Before getting tanned and tired further, we had to take some pictures and videos because this place was so aesthetic and beautiful. This is our next ride. I don't know how I'm doing all of this, but it's fun actually. It's actually fun.
It's fun actually
Actually, it's fun. Now only one of my friend went here because the rest of us didn't want our heads spinning 30 feet above, bro. Okay, also this wasn't as crowded as I expected. In fact, there are barely any people. And now we are done with most of the rides at the amusement park, and now we are heading for lunch. Uske baad we will go to the water park. And the best part is lunch is also included in my ticket for free. Influencer perks. So now from the amusement park we are going to the water park. But guess what, guys? It's actually drizzling. But okay, it's actually drizzling heavy.
Before it started raining, we completed all the dry rides.
Yeah. Otherwise, we were thinking if we should do the water park first and then amusement park. But this was a good idea. So now we are going to the water park. Lunchtime. Pav bhaji, paneer, mango sheera, jalebi, pav. And after this, finally there's a lot of noise, but after this, finally we'll go to the water park. And the lunch was also free for me and my friends. And perks of being my friends. Now the water park wasn't as crowded as we thought because fortunately a lot of people were either heading home or heading to the amusement park. So we could take our pictures without people just photobombing us. Now these rides seem a lot emptier because I recorded this towards the end, which is around 5:40, and a lot of water park rides close by 5:30, whereas the amusement park rides close around 6:30. And I'm done changing. This is my final outfit, and my friends are here to return the locker keys. And this is the park. All in all, it was such a great day. And I'm so grateful to Wet and Joy for approaching me for this collaboration. It was such a great opportunity, and I had so much fun visiting the amusement park and the water park. I always wanted to come to Imagica Wet and Joy, and yeah, it's worth it. So now we'll eat something light. Let's see. They're back. There were also a lot of food and game stalls. However, some of the food stalls were closed. And I'm smiling because food makes me happy. Then we ate Dora cakes and corn dog while we were just chilling there. So now we are done eating. We are done enjoying our day. Amusement park, water park with them. My day was amazing. Now we'll finally head out. We'll take pictures and then we'll leave. While heading out, we also visited their souvenir stores where they have a lot of souvenirs, keychains, etc. And oh my god, while leaving, I did not expect this would look so pretty with the lights and the evening sky and everything together. Then again, we took some last few pictures and videos together because I don't know when will be the next time I'll come here again for free. Just kidding. After a long, crazy, fun and adventurous day, I traveled back home with my friends with lots and lots of amazing memories. We sang together, chilled in the car, and yeah. So now we are finally heading back home with crazy memories. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Stay on 10 days.
Thank you, Sneha.
Thank you
so
Sneha.
much.
Thank you.
Welcome guys. And now we are heading home. And like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care. This is Snehal D'Souza and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.